to cancel Hotels.com reward program, very first thing you need to do is, of course, get into your Hotels.com and make sure that you are logged into your account, right? You can simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner right here and then tap on sign in order to add all of your credentials and log into your account. You can even use the application version of it. And after doing that, now what you're gonna do is simply tap on your account icon right there again, get to your account settings, then from there you'll be able to see communication preferences, tap on that one, and then you'll need to uncheck the notifications for reward progress and promotional marketing. And to completely close your account, if you want to completely close your account, you can actually select this security and data from your account settings, and then from there, if you keep on scrolling, you'll be able to find delete account. Tap on that one and simply delete your account. So yeah, by doing all of these, you'll successfully be able to cancel your Hotels.com reward program. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.